So these are my new YINTATECH 60-inch, 1,500-pound clamp-on pallet forks. Took 5 days for it to get here, which isn't bad considering there was a blizzard. I think it's a 100-some-odd pound box, so pretty heavy. It was ripped, but I think that's where the guy punched a hole in it so he could carry it, because that's how I ended up getting into my garage. So we're going to open it up right now and get a first impression. So I know you guys haven't seen my skid steer yet or anything like that, but I'm putting it together, a video of the whole project of picking it up, getting it, and wrenching on it. So stay tuned. So 60 inches, and it came with a stabilizer bar. So let's see. Everything else in the box. Let's see what it comes with. Thank you for your purchase. Phone. Right, so this is your stabilizer bar. Okay. Another piece to it. So we got like this. Yeah. Okay. There's your clamps. So I couldn't find any videos on the YINTATECH. Everything just shows Titan. But I'm assuming that these are a knockoff version. The Titans are green and like almost 70 bucks more. So not bad. So the clamping mechanism on this guy is just a bolt, where the Titan ones seem to have a much larger cylindrical piece that's down at the bottom here. That probably gets better clamp, but I mean, I think that's going to work absolutely fine for what I need it for. You know, my bucket picks up 1,700 pounds on my case, and you can chain these down and ratchet them down. So for $161, I got a $5 coupon. $161. I think it's worth trying to break them. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.